I'm going to share with you a wonderful fragrant dish from the Far East, a tom yum soup with prawns. It's hot, aromatic and a real taste bud boost. So first we're going to add a splash of oil into the pan over a nice medium heat, and then we're going to shred up some spring onions, really nice and fine. Pop those into the pan along with some fresh ginger which has just been shredded up. Let that cook off for a couple of minutes. Next we're going to add some more flavour. So we've got some tom yum paste, got some amazing kind of chili heat in there, a real nice kick. Then we're going to add in some coconut milk, really nice and rich, and add a lovely flavour. And then I'm using a garden vegetable stock pot with parsley and bay to really rock up the flavour. I'm just going to dilute this down in 500 ml of water. Give that a little stir, and that goes into our pot. So my stock's had 5 minutes simmering away. Then we'll add in our mushrooms. Now these are nice oriental mushrooms, but you can use anything you like. And some beautiful raw prawns. The prawns will cook in minutes. As soon as they're pink, they're good to go. And there you have it. How simple is that? A fragrant tom yum soup with mushrooms, prawns and coconut.